Depression comes about when the body stops utilizing calcium properly. And that comes about when your parathyroids go down. We were just talking about cold and flu-like symptoms and the mucus that you builds up in the body from eating wrong foods, particularly animal products and particularly dairy products. Well, this same mucus that fills your sinuses fills your olfactories, so you lose the sense of smell. It fills your thyroid, parathyroid up. It fills your voice box. Have you ever had your voice box full of mucus and then you talk better? Absolutely. You fill up full body mucus. Well, mucus suppresses the function of tissues, of cells. So when you suppress your parathyroid gland, you lose parathormone. Parathormone is a parathyroid hormone that's essential for calcium utilization. So when you have a weak parathyroid, you can't utilize calcium. These are some of the symptoms you see: depression, bruising easy, you see varicose or spider veins, herniations, aneurysms, you see wrinkles in the skin, saggy breast, prolapsed organs and glands. You see all kinds of stuff like this because calcium is a main component to neural tissue, main component to connective tissue. It holds everything together, and of course a main component to skeletal tissue. And the parathyroid is essential to fix that. So depression is a parathyroid experience. And you take your mothers out there that have a parathyroid weakness and you have children. Very serious issues, postpartum depression, because I don't know if you remember, in this country we had Andrea Yates, a female that drowned all 5 of her babies. Major postpartum depression, majorly gaunt, you could see her skin majorly, easy to tell she had calcium utilization problems. They just had her on antidepressants. So she was hallucinating on these, and so she said God told her to drown her babies or the devil was going to get them. That's the kind of problem that we're facing with pharmaceuticals versus practitioners like yourselves that know how to fix these things. The mothers that give all their calcium to their babies, not all, but they give a great portion of their calcium to their babies. Remember, you're growing a fetus in here from an embryo or from a cell. So all this chemistry you ladies are sharing and giving. If you're not utilizing calcium and you're getting it robbed from you, what's going to happen to you? And postpartum depression is a big one. A big one. But then you lose your tone, you lose your fingernails, you lose all kinds of things. Not good, but easy to fix.
How do they fix?
You fix the parathyroid gland. How do you do that? You want a cold and flu-like symptom. Well, how are you going to wait till one comes? No, you're going to promote one. How do you promote one? That's what detoxification is. It cleans your butt out from head to toe. And during that process, we rebuild tissue. So you have win-win. You're cleaning the body out of all the toxins, the mucus, all the excital neurotoxins that you're putting in from the makeups and everything else, and you're rebuilding tissue. Even your genetic weaknesses you can rebuild. So it's all cool, but you've got to learn those secrets of how you do that. And the first thing you have to do is start realizing what species you belong to. Change your diet. You're a primate species, you're a frugivore. Change your diet to high fruits, berries, and melons. And watch the magic as it begins to clean you and rebuild you. It's incredible.